Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay safe, stay at home, and practice well. Okay, children? See, in previous classes, we learned so many things, no? In previous classes, we learned Varnamala, the different type of Varnamala. In that one, how many parts are there? That parts also, what are the names of those parts, different types, and Alpa Pran, Maha Pran, no Anunasik Vyanjans, different Vyanjans, and which letters are hidden, some Samyuktakshar, no Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar, Samyuktakshar. I already explained. After that, we learn the symbols also. Then symbols with Barakhadi also we learn. No, some Barakhadis, all Barakhadis. I hope previous videos I gave all the Barakhadi. Then some Barakhadis in after that also I explained. No, now I am continuing. After that, see, after learning that Swar and Vyanjan means Varnamala. After learning that Varnamala, with that one we can create a word. In that one only means I am going to explain 2-letter words. No, I am going to explain 2-letter words. Previous class also I explained that related to that one I give the homework also. No, now 2-letter words without the symbol. 2-letter words, how to form a word. But see that when you are pronouncing that word, from where it comes, what is the pronunciation of that word, and how to pronounce and how to identify a word. No, I already explained, mentioned in last class. Okay, children? But what is a word? What is a word? In Hindi, see, part 1, दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. सी, दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. नो, first check it here. What I am doing when I am writing this all the sentence, only first I am writing letters. First I am writing letters. Not I am not writing the header first. First I am not giving the header. First I am writing letters. Then join with the header. No, then it will become a word. If you write one letter, one single letter, and giving the header to that one, it is not correct. Okay, it is mistake one. What you have to do when you are writing a word, you must have to write all the letters in order. First, what is the word say. Then after that, you must have to combine all the letters, join each one slowly, finishing with the header. Okay, children. Now here see. What is the meaning of this one? Do means 2. Akshar wale. Akshar wale means letters. Akshar means letters. Do akshar wale shabd. Shabd means word. Shabd means what is that? Word. हिंदी में शब्द को एक या एक से ज़्यादा अक्षरों को शब्द कहते हैं. एक या एक से ज़्यादा. One letter means, see in example, if we give swar letters. A means this is also having a meaning. Then na. See, na. If we say na also, some meaning is coming in that one. Understand, children? A and na. This is how many letters? Any letter is adding with that one? No, na. Only one. That's why एक या एक से ज़्यादा means one or more than one letters. It is saying that it is a word. Okay? एक या एक से ज़्यादा अक्षरों को शब्द कहते हैं. ओके, शब्द के 2 प्रकार होते हैं. शब्द के 2 प्रकार means शब्द. This word is that word is having 2 types. 2 types means what are the types? One is सार्थक शब्द, another one is निरर्थक शब्द. See, सार्थक. Here it is. When you go to next class, there you can understand. Okay, सार्थक and Nirardhak. Okay, Sardhak and Nirardhak Shabd. Sardhak means meaningful. Meaningful word. Okay. Then Nirardhak means unmeaningful. You can say unmeaningful or meaningless word also. You can say meaningless. Okay, meaning is not there. Here Sardhak means meaningful and Nirardhak means unmeaningful. Means in that word meaning is not there. Understand? I will give the example of this one. Okay. Okay. Jal, Nal, Kal. No? Like this. So many. You can write so many. Okay. Now here some meaningless means Nirardhak. See this one meaning is not there. No. Okay. See? Only two letter words not. Anything we can say. Jal, Nal, Kal. Jal means water. Nal means tap. Kal means tomorrow. Here Jau means no, nothing. Jau means Jawari. That one it will come as a meaning word. Or Naha means anything is there. No, na. Ka, Sha, Kash. This is also not having the meaning. Example I shown now. Now what you have to do? I am going to explain how to join the word. Okay? How to create a word. We can create so many words. In that one meaningful and meaningless. If it is a meaningful word, then it is a Sardhak Shabd. That is good. If it is a meaningless word, nothing was getting for us. Okay? That is a wrong word. Okay children? Now first of all, I am going to write Vyanjan letters. See, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ini, no, Ta. What are the Vyanjan letters? You must have to compulsory keep in your mind. Understand? Every time you must have to bother that what is the, I told you previous class also, Ka Varg, Cha Varg, Ta Varg. If you write like this, then also you can know that. No, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, okay, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. See, why I took this only one Vyanjan Akshar. With the Swar also we can write a word. We can write a word with the Swar also. Swar letter also coming in that one. Example, it is the Am. Previous class I already explained that 2 pages. In that one we learn so many words like Am, Anda, Eek, Ghar, Fun, Jhash, Van, Ghat, then next Buck, Gaj, elephant. This all we already learned in previous class. How we formed it. See here, if you take any letter, that you have to write in a meaningful manner. Means when you write 2 letter word, here what is that 2 letter? Do akshar wale. 2 letters. When we write, and Miss told to write anything. Means if I said to write anything, if you add this way, this is without meaning. Any word is, any meaning is there? No, no. That's why nothing was there. In this one, no meaning. This is a wrong word. What you have to do? When you took the word, when you took the letter, example here I am giving. See, Are you seeing this? Example I am giving. See, dha and na. Dha, na, dhan. Dhan means money. This one having a particular meaning. Okay, children? Particular meaning. This is a correct word. Okay? You can create any word like this. See? If we write dha, okay. See? These are wrong words. These are all wrong words. Understand, children? That's why I am saying that when you create a word, you must have to pronounce that word properly. You must have to know that word having meaning or not. If it is having meaning, that is a success word. If it is not having any meaning, that is a wrong word. Okay, children? Now see, in your textbook, what are the words given? Before that we learn some, no? Now here it is given dha, na, dhan, then kha, ta, khat. First what we have to do, how to identify this word. First I told you now in previous class already how you have to identify the word. First separate that. First what you have to do? First separate that. Okay, children? First separate it. How we are going to separate? Only different letters. How many letters are here? Only 2 letters now. Dha, and what are the letters are there? You can separate first. Dha and na. Dha did not have full header. It will become dhan. Dhan means what is that? Dhan means money. Dhan means what is that? Dhan means money. Next, kha, ta. Sorry. See what are the letters hidden in this one? Kha plus ta. Khat. Khat means letter? No. Khat means what is that? Letter. Okay. See here. With which letters it is added? First when I separate, I am written first letter. Then only I give the header. I completed. When I am writing the word, that time also I am writing only letter. First what I am doing? First I am writing letter, and after that joining those letters into one word. No, children? Then what you have to do? When you write, same procedure you also have to follow. Then only in next class if you go, then you can write easily which letters are this one and which letters we won't have to add the line. That one we can easily identify that. Okay. If we write first only the letter, how we are going to write? If we write this one without knowing, see, if we give this one, it will become gha. Full header is with gha. No, it will become ghan. Then it is not a correct word. It is a mistake word. Now see here, pronunciation. What is the letter? How we are going to identify? And we separated the letter, we join the letter. No, both we done. What are the letters in that one? We already know. Then how we are going to identify the letter? See, first you must have to go to the Varnamala. Varnamala having 3 parts: Swar, Vyanjan and Samyuktakshar. If you identify Swar or Vyanjan, what is that in that one? First letter. Identify the first letter. You separated now. See, I separated the letters here now. Now you have to identify that letter. First particular letter you have to identify. What is that? What is this? Dha. How we are going to know? How we have to know? Then dha, how to pronounce? Da or dha. How? Then you must have to go to the swar letters and vyanjan letters. See, in vyanjan letters, where is dha coming? How you have to know that dha, it is a dha? No? Then you must have to check out the Vyanjanakshar lines. Ka kha ga gha nya, cha cha ja ja ini, ta tha da dha ana, ta tha da dha na. Here dha. No? Here what is there? Dha. You can take out the textbook, open it, and you can see that Varnamala in first page. Or otherwise you can write the letters and read that all the letters. In that one you will get a sound of that one. When you read da, tha, da, dha, see dha. Dha, you can identify dha. See dha. Dha is here. Then next dha after what is there? Na. Both letters are here. Dha, na, dhan. What is that? Dha, na, dhan. By reading this all that Vyanjanakshar or Swarakshar, whatever that full format, if you read what are the letters of that sound, we can know that easily. Now see here how we have to pronounce the letter. Tata, dada, na, papa, baba, ma. If you read like that, it will get only dan sound. It is not a correct pronunciation. Okay, okay, that is not a correct pronunciation. What you have to do? Correct pronunciation, how you have to take? See, in this one I told you ka, cha, ta, ta, pa are Alpupran letters. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa and ga, ja, da, da, ba are Alpupran letters. Then now here, if we comes this one, kha, cha, tha, tha, pa and gha, jha, dha, dha, bha. These are Mahapranaakshar. No, these are what? Mahapranaakshar. First letter it is was Mahapran. Mahapran means in this letter we have to add a ha sound. No, what we have to do? You must have to add a ha sound compulsory. Where? In kha. This ka is Alpupran. No need. In this one ha sound is not there. In kha, when you comes to the kha, ha, ka and ha, ka and ha. Both sounds you must have to say. Kha, cha, tha. When I say ha sound is coming, see tha, tha, pa, gha, jha, dha, dha, bha. Then you can easily pronounce the letter. Dha. What is that? Da and ha sound both. Dha and na. Anunasik vyanjan. Dhan. Dha, na, dhan. What is that? Dha, na, dhan. Dhan means what is that? Dhan means money. Dhan means what is that? Dhan means money. Next one, see, same like that. Dhan means money. You know that no, money. Without money we can't survive, and without money nothing was there. Nowadays it is very important. If you after growing that, if you want money, you must have to study well, and play well at home also. Understand? Both things you must you want. And if you want to feed your stomach or your relatives or anything, it was a family member can survive with this money only. If money is there, then only we are there. Money makes many things. It will say no, then that's why. Dhan means what is that? Dhan means money. Dhan means what is that? Dhan means money. Okay, different types of money is there. Means notes. 10 5 rupee note. Before that 2 rupee note also there. 1 rupee note. 10 20 50 100 500 1000. Now it is there. See, now what are the monies? Money is there for with us now currently running with 10 rupee note. 5 rupee note is not there. 5 rupee coin is there. 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin is there. 10 rupee coin is there. No, 100 rupee I did not saw. Maybe see next now starting with 10 20 rupees is there, 50 is there, 100 500 2000. No children, like that notes are there. These are the money examples. Dhan means money. Next one, what is that? Khat. Next one, what is that? Khat. How we are going to identify the khat? How we have to identify the khat? What is there? See, ka, kha, ga, gha. First line, ka only. When we saw that ka varg, see, in that ka varg only already it is there. No, see, in this one, if we see this one, which letter it is? It is a Mahapranaakshar. What is that? It is a Mahapranaakshar. Then which sound we have to add? Kha with ha sound compulsory, kha, then only we can identify a particular letter. Kha, and which letter is added with that one? Ta. See what is there? If we see the word ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, see where it is? Ta. First letter only in fourth line, first letter. If we see, then if you see the textbook, you can identify easily. With these two letters, the word was khat. Khat means what is that? Khat means letter. A letter is posting to others who are far from us. No, we are posting these letters. In olden days, these letters are writing and sending to concerned person. Then nowadays we are not using this all. Only we are connecting with cells. No, then mobile phones. After mobile phones, we are not using this all. Okay, children. Now see, related to this one, I will give the homework. You must have to write that and post to your class teacher, concerned class teacher. Okay, children. Here it is homework. Okay. Write the missing letter with meaning. Okay, children. What I gave, see here. First one, only 2 words we learn now. Now see, which letter we have to write here, you have to write. Okay, afterwards you must have to write the meaning of that one. In English you have to write the meaning. Okay, children. Next one, same. First what you have to do, you must have to write that word, write that letter and write the meaning of that particular word. Okay, children, when we meet next class, now up to that time, stay safe, stay home and write this homework and post to your concerned class teacher. Thank you, children.